So now that you played with Legos a little bit and we've talked about conceptually what a limit is, we're going to go to Desmos to talk about that number E and what is so special about it. And how does that pertain to limits? So here's Victor and Hermione, and when they were, if you remember in the book in Goblet of Fire, they went to the ball together and they danced and they were close and they were all that, they danced around, yay. But in terms of our work with limits and our current situation with COVID-19, our distance that we're supposed to keep from one another is 6 feet. So you can imagine now, here's Victor and Hermione, and they're the center of these circles with, if you can imagine this, radius is 3 feet and his is 3 feet. So the closest they can get at any given point is 6 feet in total from distance from one another. So in terms of limits, what a limit is, so if you can imagine them walking them across the, so if you can imagine them across the dance floor, seeing each other, and then here comes Victor Crumb going to try to dance with her, the closest they can get while keeping within the social distance of 6 feet, the closest they can get is 6 feet. So that's the limiting value in terms of how close they can get to one another. They can be this far apart, which is more than 6 feet. Here's even more than 6 feet. But as they get closer, the closest they can get to is 6 feet. That'd be like the limiting value. Hi everybody, it's me. I miss you all. I wish I could actually talk to you in person, but with our circumstances, this will have to do. So we're going to talk about limits. I gave you some assignments to work on Khan Academy, and we're going to come back to the logarithm thing that I had you all cut out the last day I saw you. But today we're going to talk about limits in terms of Lego people, and specifically we're going to use Hermione Granger and Victor Crumb from Goblet of Fire, Harry Potter Book 4.